Alright, what's up everybody? You're back with Kai here. It's been a minute. Just thought we'd hop on this bike. It's been a few weeks since we did our last video with Nick, maybe a month or so. But we're gonna hop on this black Road Glide here. We just did a 1K service on it. We're doing a garage door opener. What do we got? Stage 2 speakers and amp, it looks like. And we're gonna show you guys that process and maybe take you guys for a test ride, or maybe check out what ride's going on. Check out what ride's got going on over there.
What is that?
Checking it out.
Oh, I thought you were holding up the UPC technology pack.
He's working on a nice little service right there. Check that out later. Yeah, stay tuned. Here guys, we got our new amp installed, upgraded stage 2 speaker amp, Rockford Fosgate. This little guy right here is our garage door opener. So if you're installing one of these yourself, it's pretty simple. You just got to remove the headlight because this plug for it is capped with this, and it is chilling right back here usually. So you just got to remove the headlight, get it out. You can fish it through here. The finger is. It's got a little Christmas tree, we call it zip tie. It pushes in, you can chill right there, and you just got this little bracket. It's got 2 little Torx on it. So we got to put the headlight back in. Got that all set up, and we're going to put our new speakers in on the other side. Alright, what's going on? We just got back. Didn't have time to put you guys on the chest cam for the test ride, but we just took it for a test ride. Things are riding real good. After the service, just wanted to show you guys, see if we can get some volume here on the stage 2 Rockford Fosgate speakers. Let's see here. Just gonna take a minute. Loads. So if you guys have one of these newer bikes, these newer 24 models, this little flashing bar and shield is they take a second to load up the audio. It's kind of not like the old ones, but there we go. Got the gator here. Just gonna kick on real loud for me here in a second.
Packages was confirmed small.
98.7 The Gator, the Palm Beaches rock station.
Tastings is back. It's all of the Palm Beaches back.
After you, I'm falling even more in love with you. Letting go of all I've held on to. I'm standing here, completely I'll take you.
Alright guys, there you have it. That was our install on the Rockford Fosgate Stage 2 upgrade and the garage door opener on a 2024 Road Glide. Thanks for watching.